Well, last April, a tornado left the town of Soso almost completely devastated. Now, the town of Soso was among the communities by the that was hit by those back-to-back powerful tornadoes. 12 News spoke to a man who says his friend had to pay $30,000 to get his floor fixed in his home due to damage from the April 12th EF4 tornado.
Just extravagant. I mean, it's just tore everything up. It went all the way to where I live on the other side of the county. It has tore up just multiple trees, millions of dollars of damage.
Now, the April 12th tornado was responsible for 11 deaths, and it left over 100 people injured.